Karangahake Gorge on the way to Waihi was one of the few places the extra rain could get out, and it was moving. The 3 National News team was the last vehicle to get through before police closed the road. But that didn't deter some locals from having fun in the floods. Further along the road to Whangamata, farmer Dick Bush was checking the extent of the flooding on the pastures.
And I've never seen it as bad as this. We're supposed to have a 100-year flood every so often, but we're seen to get them every 5 years. I'd say this is the 1,000-year flood we've got today.
In Whangamata itself, the school playing fields proved perfect for some extracurricular activities. Whoa! The golf course, on the other hand, was a washout. Morning brought impressive seas, tempting the hardcore surfies back into the water. The problem for other Coromandel holidaymakers trying to get around or get home was the slips. But for the owners of these cars on the road to Pauanui, the trip home was going to be in someone else's vehicle. They abandoned their cars when floodwaters rose above the roof. Work staff had their summer holidays cut short, clearing the debris from the highways. For some travellers, holiday relaxation was a patient wait on the roadside. Of all the road slips across the Coromandel, this one at Kopu near Thames has caused the most trouble, completely blocking one of only 2 roads into the peninsula. The road's going to be passable by late lunchtime, but it's likely that roadworks and road repairs are going to become an ongoing feature of the Coromandel tourist route right through the summer. Anita McNaught, 3 National News.
Water on the left?
It's quite a bit on one side, only on one side. It's enough to... Cars talking about how their holiday plans have been completely wrecked. Now, let me just reiterate that. I'll go through it one more time. Rising floodwaters threatening holidaymakers trying to afford it, okay? Only a few local